Welcome to Labh Group.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shetty, ENT Surgeon from Taluka Hospital, Savanur, Haveri district, Karnataka. This is our PSA oxygen generation plant. This is a Labh Group OxyMedi-500 liters, 500 LPM PSA plant, which has been purchased through ACT grants and delivered by Government of Karnataka. This plant generates 500 liters of oxygen per minute and the purity range is about 91 to 95%. This plant is very easy to maintain and the Labh Group team is outstanding, and they resolve all major and minor queries and problems within hours or within a day. This 500 LPM plant is one of the first 500 liter per minute plants in Karnataka, and the public of Savanur are very grateful for the government of Karnataka for taking such a great initiative. Thank you.